All right, so now welcome to assignment number 3 on the Explain Everything course. And in this, we're going to highlight two tools, the alpha tool, the one I've got highlighted there, and the laser pointer tool. So first, let's go to Zoom and let's scoot this over. Let's get it completely off the screen. All right, and notice you don't have to put your finger on it, right? So I'm not even touching the word assignment or Zoom. I've got my finger in the blank space pushing it over. All right, so let's all choose the alpha tool. So if you'll scoot that stuff over, choose the alpha tool and touch anywhere on your screen. Now you can do one of two things. You can type the word assignment 3, like I just did, and press the little check button. Now use 2 fingers and put both fingers on that word assignment 3 and then pinch out or in to make it as big or little as you want. And then I just kind of want you to turn it left and right. And so I want you to stick it over here on the side where it says assignment 3. Okay. Then I want you to choose the alpha tool again and tap. And we're going to use the audio button. So at the bottom of the screen in gray, the bottom left, you've got a smiley face, and just to the right of the smiley face is a microphone. So I'm going to press that, and then I'm going to dictate what I want this to say. You can see as I spoke, it put the words in there so I didn't have to actually type them. Now I'm going to make them bigger. Okay? So I want you to pause the video and press that alpha button, and tap on the screen, and then dictate something onto your slide here. All right, so now that you've done that, take the laser pointer tool. That's this one right here. And I just want you to notice that you can take and move it around like this. Now, if I hold down on the laser pointer tool, I get more options. So I think your laser pointer defaults at this little tiny circle. You could change it to this circle. But what I want you to do right now, if you don't mind, is take a screenshot with your options up. So I just kind of want you to hold down till your options pop up so that I know you got those options to pop up, and just take a screenshot. All right. We're going to submit that screenshot in a second. Now, I'm going to choose the green arrow as my laser pointer. And I just want you to see, so as you're walking around the class, if you want the students to read along, you can touch on the screen and they're seeing where you want them to look. Right? So if I tell students we got this equation 2x minus 5 equals 15, and I ask them, I say, hey, what sign is this right here? Well, it's a whole lot easier than me walking up to the board and pointing to it. I can just use my laser pointer to point to it. Okay? So now that you've taken your screenshot, I want you to press the alpha one more time and hold down on it. And you can see it, you have that choice to auto group. We don't want to do that. Let's on the screen tap again and just put your name. I'm going to put my name in the box and I'm going to zoom it out just a little. There we go. And I'm going to take one more screenshot. And so those 2 screenshots you just took, I want you to submit both of those in the Canvas course for assignment 3 as proof that you watched this video. And remember, anywhere through the video you can pause, rewind, so you can catch up.